talking to right now?
James and Michael. James, take off your socks.
No way.
The two of you go out there, get the sausage, put it on this and get it in the oven.
You guys are afraid to go out there?
You want to put it in the oven?
Let it cook. Why it's on there, right?
I know, but I'm afraid with the rain the way it is, no?
It's got to cook on one side for so long.
I didn't have the camera on record before, so everything that
You
was...
missed it?
Yeah.
Who knew this was going to happen? I'm amazed.
Where's Sadie?
Yeah.
Where's Sadie?
Sadie's hiding. He's hiding, Sadie. She doesn't know what to do.
Oh, God. Oh, my God.
I've never seen it rain like this before, Mike. Yeah. I saw it come. I got to remove the garage.
Other side. There you go. Oh, my God. Look at this. It's going to come right in. Look at that.
The radio said it's just a passing storm. It'll pass over in minutes.
What radio? Oh, listen to Lou. He doesn't know what he's talking about.
This is a small
Why
thunderstorm.
did you put it on just now when I came home?
We put it on maybe about...
So does it have to be turned or anything?
It's probably turned.
Michael, we have breaking news.
What now?
Breaking news?
Aww.
Well, I would assume that she would be afraid.
Oh, hey, come here.